how to add an American Express gift card to your Cash App balance. So what I've done is I've just logged into Cash App and I'm going to click on my profile icon here in the top right. Now from here, what we want to do is we want to scroll down until we find the section for linked banks. Just click on linked banks and we will link a debit card here. Now if it's a credit card, it will just detect it as well. And what you have to do is type out your American Express gift card information right here. So the card number, the expiration date, the CVV, and the zip code. If that doesn't work for you, what you can do is you can click on no card and it's going to load up a list of all of the different banking institutions. If we click on continue here, and we can just search for American Express, and you will see it right here. So if we open up American Express, we have a personal savings and American Express checkings and savings account. So if we click on continue to log in here, we can link our American Express bank account directly. And if it's associated with our American Express gift card, then it should detect it. If it's separate, it won't detect it though. So I hope this was informative. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.